Okay, so I know that you know that anytime you're going to make an argument, it is really smart to anticipate what kinds of challenges people are likely to make to the premises of your argument. What are the likely challenges that someone is likely to bring forward in an attempt to demonstrate that the premises of your argument are actually not true as you claim, but are false, that are false statements, and therefore your valid argument is an unsound argument. Okay? Now, just as with defending these different kinds of statements required different strategies, so too does challenging them and anticipating the challenges to them. So take a look at this argument. Again, your favorite one. It is snowing. If it is snowing, then the mail will be late. It is snowing, therefore the mail will be late. And we notice here in the truth table for conditional statements, on line 2, we can see that the conditional statements is false, okay? And it's false when what appears on the left-hand side, the antecedent, is true, and what appears on the right-hand side is false. And that's kind of what we want to focus our attack on when we're attacking or anticipating an attack to a conditional statement. We want to be able to show that even granting that the statement on the left side of the horseshoe is true, that doesn't necessarily mean the statement on the right-hand side of the horseshoe is true. It could be false, okay? So we want to think really carefully again about the sufficient and necessary conditions that are represented in a conditional statement. What the conditional statement is saying is this, is the statement that appears on the right-hand side of your horseshoe, the consequent, that statement is necessarily true in order for this statement to be true. This statement, it is snowing, the sufficient condition, it cannot be true unless this is true. Okay? So the way to challenge this is to say, one, I have a way to show you why I think it's false that the mail will be late, even though I'm going to grant you that it's snowing. Okay, maybe I'll go back to one of those lines of attack I mentioned earlier. I'm gonna show you that the mail carriers have recently gotten snow driving training, or that they just bought a new fleet of snow trucks filled with equipped with snow tires, or that they're gonna start delivering the mail earlier in the day so that it's on time. Something along those lines. What I want to be showing is that it is snowing is not a sufficient condition to make the mail late. Okay, that's my objective here. I want to come in and I want to be able to grant maybe it's true that it's snowing. Okay, fine. But that isn't sufficient to conclude that the mail will be late. And I want to be offering my reasons for demonstrating how the left-hand side could be true and the right-hand side of my horseshoe could be false.